The objective of this project is to identify and to quantify the whole of value chain losses from harvesting to customer. The goal is to develop strategies which growers, harvesters and millers can discuss, which will maximise returns for all. For example, using different harvester setup for different cane varieties, different cane conditions, such as thick or thin cane or lodged cane. In the field, the sugar loss team are identifying and quantifying losses from the harvesting process. Primarily, these come from the operation of the feed train, the choppers and the cane cleaning system, that is, the toppers and the extractor fan speeds. During harvesting, cane trash is collected for a given distance along a drill. Trash is weighed and a sample is shredded in a mulcher. From this shredded sample, a further sample is taken. It's bagged and sealed and is then frozen for later analysis in a laboratory. Back in the lab, the samples are thawed. Then in a blender, 20 grams of fibre is mixed with 60 ml of water. This blended mix is then pressed to extract the liquid, which is then filtered and a Brix reading taken to infer sucrose content. The results are recorded along with other sample details, including bin weight from the tarp in the field, replicate number and treatment number. The other part of the project involves testing cane that is transported to the mills for processing. At the mill, a further sample is taken from the rakes. Measurements are taken of extraneous matter, including the level of tops, damaged and mutilated billets, billet length, individual fibre versus extraneous matter, levels of dirt, and levels of rat damage. The levels of damaged and mutilated billets are being measured for the first time. This data is being recorded for two reasons. One, to measure the impact to the grower due to losses in the field, and two, to quantify the impact to the factory due to elevated levels of dextrine in juice, causing processing issues at the mill and lowering sugar quality. This project is being undertaken to collect data for all sectors of the sugar industry. The work is being carried out in conjunction with the sugar loss teams. The aim of the project is to identify ways of maximising returns to all sectors in the value chain of the sugar industry.